This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Racism caused them to basically disown their daughter on her wedding day, and now they're wanting to come back into Obi's lives because of her kids. And guys, I understand that grandparents would love to get to know their grandkids, but a lot of people are commenting saying that Obi's parents were probably wanting to see the kids first, to do a skin color check before getting involved in their lives. Now, regardless if that's their intent.
Before we continue, let me thank Pokerist for sponsoring this video. Pokerist is a free-to-play creative game for true poker lovers, giving you a fun experience and an opportunity to make new friends from all over the world. Play Pokerist to engage with your old friends and to find new ones online. Join the guild, win together with your allies, and beat your friends in online tournaments. To play Pokerist, users must be 18 plus to access the game, and keep in mind Pokerist does not offer gambling or an opportunity to win real money or prizes. Please support my channel by installing the game, use my links below or the QR code right here to download Pokerist while I tell you more about the game. What I enjoy the most about this game is the ability to play with friends online and become a part of an amazing online community. You get to play with real people instead of bots, and the fact that you can choose from over 11 games is just mind-blowing, making it feel like a full casino experience. It also has some of the coolest features like unlocking free rewards, chatting on the app, sending gifts to your friends, and overall enjoying the 3D gameplay. Download Pokerist using the link in the description or scan the QR code right here on the screen and get 5,000 chips as a bonus. Pokerist is available in the App Store and Google Play. It's that easy, just click the link in the description or search for Pokerist in the stores and I'll see you in the game.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Because it looks very nerve-wracking.
Yeah, so there it goes! Oh, hey! Dude! The hell?
Main menu.
You kidding me?
Possible commands are dial number, redial, music, or further options.
Tundra has so many premium features, you've got to take a spin. Let's go, Toyota Truck.
Y'all right? You guys okay? I saw him run off.
You didn't catch a license plate?
I was stuck on the light over there. I'm sorry. I would have chased him down for y'all, but...
It was a fucking burgundy Suburban, that's all I know.
That's right. You're okay.
Andrew, stop. Andrew, just stop. Please, just stop. Let him go and just stop. Please.
Such a psycho.
Just, Andrew. We have kids in the car.
No, I'm not from around here. Why don't you get back in your car?
Yeah. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Wow!
That's wild.
yo,